see this puddle? That's my puddle. Just straight antifreeze.
No
straight
way.
cooler. Yeah.
What you need, bro?
That's what happens when you go
Like,
pieces.
straight bro. Oh my God.
You need me to get you anything?
Nah, I think I'm so I'm about to cruise out to a Cars and Coffee event. I gotta make it quick. I can't stay long because, man, it's a busy day, but I wanted to at least go show my face. That's kind of like me advertising for the business. Like, if people a lot of times see me, you know, we'll talk, or maybe somebody asks, hey man, who's that? Or somebody say, hey, there go Toussaint, and you know, the people around them may not know me. So it's a good way to network just by going out to different events. And this is a car event, so we're gonna go helmet mode. We're gonna roll out there, and then basically we're gonna drive around the parking lot and come right back. So can't play music. Y'all hear the music of this 4-cylinder Polaris. It screams, I'm not gonna lie. It revs all the way to like 8,400 or so. I'm gonna give you my cell phone number. Just text me.
Cause I've been watching your work recently, man. I was like, man, this dude been killing me.
Oh yeah. Hey, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, that's not the reason why. I just haven't had the time to. But
let me move out the way.
What up?
What's up, man? I'm trying to be like you, bro. I'm trying to be like Authentic Vinny. Hey, Toussaint Customs is coming soon. I haven't did my first video, but it's coming soon. No, man, editing is.
It ain't easy.
Man, my computer, I'm talking about shut down. I was almost finished with a video. I clicked save, non-responding.
Come on, man.
Not responding. So, man, I threw the whole computer away.
You gotta get your.
I know. I honestly, I don't like Apple. I'm not an Apple person. No, I'm just right. I'm Team Android. I just bought an Alienware, And it's a beast. It's a beast. So I'm a start. I just gotta start. That's the hardest thing. Just starting it.
You're gonna be good.
Yep. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Put it out here. Oh yeah, yep. You ready?
Yeah, 225.
Yep. 907. Yep. So that'll work. Appreciate it, man. You got a suction mount? Cause I saw that video where you raced the Hellcat. You got a suction mount that point back?
Yeah, I put it on the windshield.
Yeah.
I just mounted to that.
All right.
Let it go.
And then shoot back. I see you too. I saw your channel, man. Hey, we trying to make something, man. Hey, y'all ahead of the game though. Y'all ahead of the game. Man, we all just bring each other up, you know. We all just, you know, keep sharing ideas and that's it. That's the real way to make it, you know, quick.
Yep.
So.
Hey, your content gonna be something serious.
I know.
He just gotta do it.
I just gotta do it. I have to do it.
And you get paid twice.
And that's the thing. I'm advertising for the shop.
It's a
And
win.
exactly. So it's just one of those things. Just doing it.
Oh,
Street Kings. Street Kings.
Oh, bro. Big thing take over, man.
Yeah.
You need the footage, man. Off the imitated, never duplicated, baby. Hey, you had it on driving here?
Yeah.
And that'll be every time.
Whole time.
Yeah.
Whole time. So I'm gonna have to learn how to blur out my speed, cause you know, some of the little speeds that I was hitting, I might want to blur them out. Yeah, man, I might want to blur them out, you know.
In Mexico.
Right.
Professional driver.
Man, I'm passing up Segan turn here, College turn here. I'm saying I'm in Mexico.
Exactly.
Man, they know I'm not in no doggone Mexico. For real. All right, man. What's up? Good seeing you. Where your bike at?
Right there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Work on it done.
You did the wrap?
Yeah.
And you must have did those LED balls. Yeah, that definitely don't come.
that are under it right now.
Yeah.
Did everything.
Let me get out the way. That's all. So you did LEDs under it too?
Yeah, they're on right now. It's just too bright outside. The slingshot, no rolls today?
No rolls. I got an event to do. I got a wedding to do, so like it's all clean and I don't want to redo that. Yeah. And then the way I drive, you know, is taking a chance on getting it damaged. So it's best to leave it, you know. Best to leave it. Yeah, just play it safe. So, all right.
I'll bring the bike by.
That'll work. I see you. Alrighty. I forgot this automatic is weird. I'm like, yeah, I'm looking for the clutch. There's no clutch. Alright, man. Appreciate that, man.
No problem.
What's up?
How's it going?
I know, right? It's been a while.
How's it going?
Oh, shit. I'm not used to having an automatic slingshot, so like I forget to like, you know, put it in neutral and like, yeah, this is the first year they made the automatic. But how y'all? I see the cars. So y'all haven't ran this one yet, right?
Yeah.
Y'all have?
We haven't competed, but
That's what I'm, okay.
Justin's gonna get it turned on for you.
Alright. Let's start.
Yeah, for real. I have the brain. Yeah.
There's young. Everybody here is trying to keep things going.
Yeah.
They get underpaid.
It's definitely something.
Yeah, I gotta get one of these too. I'm gonna buy one of these things, man. I've been working on them for a long time, like 5 years. I always sponsor both Tiger Racing, or I sponsor the Tiger Racing team. And every time I have to call the building, they're like, "What's going on?"
For like 24 cents, I think we only had any budget.
like.
Yeah, so look, my idle at 7,000 RPM.
I know that is a high sounding idle. That thing.
It was high.
What does it idle at? What does it?
37-ish.
Idle?
That was like 53 though.
Yeah, that was.
We're talking about idles. Like when no one's on the throttle, it's at like 53?
37 is what it should be.
37. Okay, not 53, just 37.
It's high. It's high.
He said that it's high.
Because that we're about to like. No, it's hard to be out there.
That thing is. Oh, the duct tape is working out pretty well.
That's a, you know.
Or is that Gorilla Tape or just a regular?
I think that's Gorilla Tape. It's got a little more stick to it.
A little bit more stick. See, Gorilla Tape, looking for a sponsor. Here it is, right here, working beautifully.
Yeah, we're big on the diversity team.
Oh, like we want different. So this one, what did it dyno at?
So I think like 92.
Okay. And you know the weight of it? Oh, that's the actual weight.
430.
430 pounds.
With full wet, everything.
So,
Because this is a lower pressure, and then it'll come back in, and you'll have less power. So what we do is try to custom.
I got a GTR back there.
Yeah, that's Francis.
Oh, that is right. R.
Valve's opening.
Right here, right? Yep.
So we have more
What is John doing here?
Got the old and got the new right next to each other. Since we did this was at a Cars and Coffee a long time ago. I think it's either different people signed it, but it was to show support for the blue. So that's kind of why they did this edition. This was a salvage Lambo. The guy, he fixes Lambo. He has a company that just fixes and restores Lambos. He does a lot of them, and this was just one of his projects. Super. This Hellcat, wide body Hellcat. This is Authentics. That's for Authentic Benny. Yeah. Authenticated on Instagram, and there's his YouTube. Man, these are dope. Like, I just showed it on camera like it was nothing, but these are not. I like how he did the lettering. Man, now see, I'm gonna have to start getting more creative, because, like, man, that's a nice touch. It's subtle, it's not loud, but it's very different. I haven't seen this yet. I haven't seen that on. I'm looking for imperfections, and I don't see any. So I think that this is the one we did. You know how that is.
Except it's not silver, it's white, but still, you know.
This thing is nice. It's kind of dirty, but it's nice. Yeah, this gotta be it. Gotta be it. What's up, man?
What's up, baby?
Oh, man, just trying to make it happen. Trying to be like you, man.
I got my little one in there with me today.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Another YouTube. Hey, how's it going? How's it going,
Oh,
man?
you were talking to me? 2 months.
Right. YouTube NASCAR_6. Yeah, I'm putting everybody on. We was talking earlier. Authentic Benny, Tayville. I don't think Josh has a what the. That ain't good.
Yeah, what's that coming from?
Yeah, I noticed that. Oh, it killed?
I turned it off. We killed it.
Oh, appreciate it. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to send it back.
I'm Seth Collins' mom. I've been watching. I love this thing. How do
I know, right? Well,
you just press the button?
normally you would just press the button, but since
But do
it's
you have
like
to do the- put the
cooling
brake on
everywhere,
and do that?
you do have to put the brake on to start it. So it's just like a regular car, like it's keyless entry. Foot on the brake and press the start button.
Okay.
But yeah, that's straight cooling.
But it's an automatic?
Yeah,
I mean,
it's an automatic.
Okay.
It's an automatic. So.
That's just such a win.
I got a light duty jack in my truck if you need to see if a hose busted or whatnot.
Oh, I don't even need to see it. It's bad. That's a lot of cooling.
Yeah.
What's the chances of that?
I'm saying if your hose is busted, you know, you can
Like,
just
what's
tape it
the
up and drive
chances
it
of
to
that?
it.
Come to a car event. The one event I come to, the got doggone new slingshot, brand new 2020 slingshot, cooling everywhere.
Are they not meant to sit in place for a long time?
Right, like what?
Can you pop the hood?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
You got a channel on YouTube?
I'm about to. I've been recording a lot of video. Thanks, man. I've been recording a lot of videos, but I haven't edited yet.
It was like spitting down over here. Yeah. It makes me think it was like heater cord, if it doesn't have a heater cord. Nope. Yeah. It was just sitting there, and then like I saw it's like just starting to like,
Yeah, I was, like,
smoke
looking
coming
around.
out.
Really?
Like,
Anybody see
I was like, yeah, I think we should turn it off. Just
Yeah,
like,
no, I was like when I was talking to him, I just saw it smoking on the bottom. I'm like, man, that's not normal. Ah,
You sure it's not normal? Might be normal for Polaris.
right. Bruh, look, what's the chance
heard
that you see this puddle? That's my puddle. Just straight antifreeze.
No
straight
way.
cooling.
What you
Yeah.
need, bro?
That's what happens when you buy
Like
pieces of
straight
shit.
cooling, bruh. Just- oh my god.
You need me to get you anything?
Nah, I think I'm gonna try to take it to Polaris.
Sure.
Yeah. Are y'all busy? What are y'all doing right now?
No, I can help you out. What you got?
You not busy?
I mean, I was about to go rock climbing, but I'm good. Need a ride out there?
I might.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to drive that thing to Polaris.
Sure, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on the warranty. I mean, what else would I do? It
want me to-
It don't look like it dumped everything. So would you mind following me to
Yeah,
Polaris?
absolutely.
Polaris right there,
Yeah.
and then taking me to the shop.
Yeah,
And,
absolutely. I can do
yeah.
that.
I hate to ask,
No
man.
problem. Absolutely. Where do you want me to,
Just pull on side for now. I'm gonna try to add some fluid and I'm gonna roll.
okay, you got
So-
the number, right?
Yeah. Yep. Who said they had Dex Cool?
Right back there.
Hey, you mind if I use some of your Dex Cool?
Yeah, I got Dex Cool.
So I made it back to the shop. I'm so thankful that Lucas was able to do that for me and bring me back. Man, that saved me a lot of time versus having to try to call somebody or get an Uber. That saved me a lot of time, and time is more valuable than the money. And so, like I say, man, I'm so appreciative of people like that just they'll help me out. And it's kind of just customer relations. Like that was and I haven't seen him in a while. It was a customer. He was a customer. He's always a customer, but he's a friend also. So most of the time, my customers turn into friends, and like I said, that just meant a lot. So we got it dropped off at Polaris. They're gonna take a look at it. Everything is under warranty, so it's not an issue. But going out to Cars and Coffee, it got me really motivated to get my channel and get to editing. So I probably will post this video towards the front because it's an easier video to edit. It's all just within itself. I don't have to do a lot of clips. So if y'all like this video and you want to see more, just please subscribe, comment, and like. Let me know what you think, and just stay tuned.